The things we wear. Hello, can you find me wearing a hoodie? Yes, pink color. Can you find me? Hi, this is Gowrystha and you are watching Real Example. Today we are going to learn about. Now, look at this picture. Can you find a boy wearing a uniform? Can you find a boy wearing a uniform? Can you find a woman wearing a hat? Can you find a woman wearing a hat? Can you find a man wearing boots? Can you find a man wearing boots? Can you find a man wearing a mask? Can you find a man wearing a mask? What's this? A coat. A coat. What's this? What's this? A dress. A dress. What's this? What's this? Sari. A sari. What's this? Yes. What's this? Hoodie. A hoodie. Trousers. Trousers. Or pants. Pants. What's this? A jacket. A jacket. What's this? Shorts. Shorts. Jeans. Jeans. What's this? T-shirt. A t-shirt. Sunglasses. Sunglasses. Slippers. Slippers. Flip-flops. Flip-flops. What's the difference? Slippers, flip-flops. Slippers. Slippers. Inside the house we wear. We wear usually inside the house. No defined shape. Can be very soft. Designs. Okay. Flip-flops. Defined shape. Usually we wear outside. Outside the house. What's this? Scarf. A scarf. What's this? A cap. A cap. What's this? Hat. A hat. Sneakers or trainers. Trainers. Sneakers or trainers. Sandals. Sandals. Boots. Boots. Shoes. Shoes. What's this? Sweater. Sweater. What about this? Cardigan. 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 Front opening. It's a front opening. Sweater, cardigan, quite same. Blouse. A blouse. Now, let's do an activity. Describe the people. describe the people, what they're wearing. Okay, look at this picture. Look at this person. This person wearing green t-shirt and blue jeans. Green t-shirt, blue jeans. This person's wearing a green t-shirt and blue jeans. This person's wearing a green t-shirt and blue jeans. This person is wearing a green t-shirt and blue jeans. This person is wearing persons. This person's wearing a green t-shirt and blue jeans. Now tell me about this person. Okay, yes. Tell me. So here, this person. What about here? We say that person. That person is wearing a blue shirt. That person. Okay, so we can say I think that person's wearing a blue shirt. Blue, I think that person's wearing a blue shirt. Now homework. Look at these people. What do you think they are wearing? Look at these people. What do you think they are wearing? If you like this video, please put a thumbs up and share it with your friends. See you on next lesson.